What's going on, guys? Today I want to show you guys a simple and straight to the point document on how I set up this business model to be the easiest and fastest way to go about it so I can actually start putting in work and landing clients. So I know like a lot of times a lot of these business models, they take time and effort, and it kind of gets complicated because you don't really know where to start. And that's why I wanted to make this guide for you guys. So if you are doing this with me, you know exactly what to do and what order to do it in to be the most efficient. So I made a document on my laptop. Let's get to it.
Had no need to fight tonight.
And FYI, I am getting a new lens soon because I got some questions on the video quality of yesterday's video. It's not the best. It's mainly for pictures. I need a new camera in general too. Hopefully soon.
Okay guys, I'm back with the real video now. Hopping on my laptop, talking about the step-by-step breakdown for this business model. The first thing you're going to want to do is set up all your accounts for the accounts you're going to be posting ads on. So that means Craigslist, people per hour is a good one, Upwork is a really good one, and these are all for your suppliers. And what you're going to want to do is post about 4 to 5 ads on each account, and also you can hire some people on Fiverr to post classified ads for you. The second thing you want to do is pick a niche. That's the most important thing, and stick to it, because the last thing you want to do is like post 4 or 5 ads of different niches and not get as good as results because of that. And you know, you can do web design, business plans, logo design, whiteboard animations. I'd rather stick to one niche and post all of my ads around one niche in general, and you'll be like basically posting ads regarding these niches. So whatever you decide to do, base your whole entire business around this niche. Like, I mean, find suppliers. You can ask for samples and look around, see what other people are posting, like on Craigslist and all those other classified sites, and model what they do. And then, like I said, outsource to suppliers as the middleman. That's the main business model. That's the main catch in this to make profit. And the next thing I want to do is, this is kind of optional. I did it just so I can get responses and my response rate can be higher when posting ads. I set up a like 1-800 number, a professional email, and you can do that through like GoDaddy, or you know, G Suite has a really good deal. I made mine through GoDaddy. I'm paying like $23 a month for my domain and my email that connects to Outlook. There's many more options, just search it up. And also for the 800 number, you can use eVoice. That's what I'm using to do it, and I've had no problems with it at all so far. So the next thing I want to do after number 3 and setting up your niche and setting up all your accounts for suppliers on all those websites is sign up for all the ad services you're going to be posting on, like Craigslist, and you can find people on Fiverr to do this for you. Like I said before, the next couple of videos will be about mainly looking for suppliers and finding people that can post 50 to 60 classified ads for like $5. It's worth it because Craigslist charges $5 per ad, and you can pay someone to basically manually write up 50 ads for you to 60 ads. That's what I do, and I see the best results with emails, and my 1-800 number is usually off the line all day, ringing up possible clients, and I can answer those clients and possibly land them. So it helps when you have someone like that. And the next thing I want to do is qualify your suppliers, and that means asking for samples, asking for questionnaires before work you can send to your client, and you want to look for, like, you know, the response time and professionalism and all that other good stuff. Sorry, I can't type right now. And also, you know, the reviews. Make sure there's some orders in queue, especially if you're doing it on Fiverr, because that shows credibility. That means they've been doing it for a long time and people trust them. So look only for trusted suppliers with high ratings and possible orders in queue. The next thing you want to do is, hold on, you want to do this through websites listed in number 1. Yes, number 1. So you're going to want to go on Fiverr, Upwork, people per hour, look at the reviews, look at their ratings, and I like to sort out everything through mainly their the website's search system, like top sellers first, highest to lowest price first, and so on. So after you do that, the most important thing in my opinion is signing up for Square, because that's the main payment processing system I'm going to be implementing to send invoices for possible clients if you're going to land them through the phone or through email, whatever it may be. And it also is very efficient, and it's easy to send invoices once you set up your bank account and connect everything together. So once you've done all this, and literally all this stuff literally only takes like a day. It's not bad at all. So you're gonna want to find prospects through One Craig search. If you're having any questions about that, you can type in like logo design or I need a website, and those keywords will allow you to see who made ads based around what they need. And you can hit up those people through email, and there's multiple other ways. I'll get into different videos later on about how to possibly land clients through eBay and through Facebook, Facebook Marketplace, all that good stuff. And you're going to want to make email response swipes and email ad copy and save it so you have that forever to test and tweak over time. And that also allows you to help out others as well. I already have a email response swipe that I reply to with ads, and ad copy that I like to test and tweak with like titles or pictures, whatever it may be. You're going to want to have good ad copy and stand out and be different, but also not salesy at the same exact time. I'll get into that in later videos. But as I was saying, nearing the end of this list right now, you're going to want to post classified ads and experiment and wait for leads. Don't limit yourself as far as posting all your ads on one website. Post on like Kijiji and classifiedads.com, all those other websites, and you can also hire somebody on Fiverr to do that for you, which is even better because it saves you a lot of money. And that basically sums up everything for this business model. If there's any more things that I'm missing, you guys feel free to comment down below if you're watching this. But for the most part, thanks for watching, and I'll be covering more in later videos, and I'll catch you guys later. Be sure to hit the like button